Hi there guys and welcome here. So today we will discuss about types of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates can be divided into two main types: simple, including monosaccharide and disaccharides, and complex. Now first of all we will discuss simple carbohydrates. What is simple carbohydrate? Simple carbohydrates are sometimes called sugars or simple sugars. There are two types of simple carbohydrate: monosaccharides and disaccharide. So what is monosaccharide? Monosaccharide contain just one sugar unit, so they are the smallest of the carbohydrates. The prefix mono means one. The small size of the monosaccharides give them a special role in digestion and metabolism. Food carbohydrate have to be broken down to monosaccharide before they can be absorbed in the gastrointestinal tract, and they also circulate in blood in monosaccharide form. There are three monosaccharides. Glucose. The first one is glucose, the second one is fructose, and the third one is galactose. Now, here is the chemical structure of glucose. In this class, we will sometimes use a simpler green hexagon to represent glucose. You are already familiar with glucose because it is the main product of photosynthesis. Plants make glucose as a way of storing the sun energy in a form that it can use for growth and reproduction. In human, glucose is one of the most important nutrients for fueling the body. It's especially important for the brain and nervous system, which are not very good at using other fuel sources. Muscles, on the other hand, can use fats as an energy source. Now, food sources of glucose. Glucose is found in fruits and vegetables, as well as honey, corn syrup, and high fructose corn syrup. All plants make glucose, but much of the glucose is used to make starch, fiber, and other nutrients. The food listed here have glucose in its monosaccharide form. Now the next is fructose. Fructose is special because it is the sweetest carbohydrate. Plants make a lot of fructose as a way of attracting insects and animals, which help plants to reproduce. For example, plants make nectar, which is high in fructose and very sweet, to attract insects that will pollinate it. Plants also put fructose into a fruit to make it tastier. Animals eat the fruit, wander away, and later poop out the seed from the fruit, thereby sowing the seed of the next generation. Animals get a meal and the plants get to reproduce. Win-win. Fructose in nature, a bee collects sweet nectar from the flower, in this process spreading pollen from flower to flower and helping plants to reproduce. Bees use nectar to make honey, which humans harvest for use as a sweetener. Now the food source of fructose. It includes fruits, vegetables, honey, high fructose corn syrup. Now the next one is galactose, right? So this is the chemical structure of galactose. Basically it is a hexagon shape. Food sources of galactose. Galactose is found in milk and dairy products made from milk, but it's almost always linked to a glucose to form disaccharide. We rarely find it in our food supply in monosaccharide form. So this is all about monosaccharide. In the next lecture we will discuss further. Up to that, thanks for watching.